How to use Doutong equipment. Our BMW BDC2. First of all, in addition to the host and G-Box, you need to and the XP400 need to be equipped with these. So let's take this computer board apart. You can see that there are 2 holes in it. Is this because when we shoot the video? It is because this computer board has been disassembled repeatedly. In the end, we got in trouble. I ended up making 2 holes. Did you lead 2 wires out? This is the BMW BDC2. It's like a body computer. What about when we're going to do it with Doutong? There are a few details we need to pay attention to when we want to operate. First of all, this boot 5 pins of this boot, it's the 5th one above this one. We need to solder a wire. Just solder the wire to this one, then solder this wire. It's not too risky or difficult. So the second point to pay attention to, it's on the 2nd pin of this IC. Also have to weld the root wire. Pay special attention when soldering this wire. Friends with poor welding skills, when welding, we'll put some solder, or the tin dots go to the 2 corners next to it. If you connect to the 2 corners next to it, did not clean up in time, so this computer board is in the process of your operation, there is a high probability that something will go wrong. So when there are conditions to solder this wire with magnifying glass, or all of us like to use that electron microscope now, it is to weld 2 wires for this wire. 2 wires are welded here after soldering the wire. And look at this. It's a lot of pin leads. Then we have to follow the prompts on the device. It's in its Con 7. Plug in the cable above Con 8. What about after plugging in? To connect with our G-Box. It's on the device. There will be an obvious hint. Is it when you are executing programming? This plug cannot be plugged in. Need power off. Can't plug it in. And then one of his black D wires. Connect to our 2-corner connection. During its programming process, the device will repeatedly prompt us to disconnect. Or 12 volts. Disconnect, or the pin that connects to our ground wire. You must pay attention to this and follow the prompts. If you don't follow his prompts, the chances of something going wrong are very, very high. So here's the rest of the process, is to generate the dealer key and get in the car to study our Doutong on the boot interface of the device. In fact, what kind of guidance will he show? We'll prompt you. Read the information in the car first. After reading the information, let's take this off again. You take it down, you program it. We're going to study in the car. In fact, let's just say there is an easier way. It means using our testing platform. Just say you are in the car without pre-reading the information. Remove our BDC, pre-read information directly on the platform. It is also possible to read the information in advance. This is also to say that it is possible. It is also possible to complete the match. There is no need to plug and unplug back and forth on the car.